Okay, I hope you all have seen this picture. Those who are not able to see the screen, they can see in their textbook. There is on page number 47. You can see this one. Okay. So now, what you are seeing in this picture? What you can see in this picture? Just comment in chat box. What you can see in this picture? Comment your answer in chat box. What things you can see in this picture? In this picture, okay, just observe the picture. Okay, आपको सिर्फ देखना है और बताना कि आपको पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है. What you can see in that picture? Okay, butterfly. Very good. Any other things which you can see in this picture?
Hand. Hand.
Okay, rose. Okay, butterfly, rose. Any other?
Hand.
Just
Grass.
comment your answer in chat box. Okay, one hand is there. Grass. Very good. कुछ लोग कर रहे हैं man lifted the butterfly, but it is wrong. In that picture, we only see a hand and butterfly is sitting on the red rose. Okay, can you see other flowers than rose? Only rose is there or other flowers are also there? Leaves, nice. Okay, so can you tell me how many flowers are there? How many flowers are there? Some are saying 2, some are saying 4, some are saying 5. Just observe the picture carefully, then you can find out how many flowers are there total. Okay, so there are mixed answers. Some are saying 2, 4, 5, 6. Mostly students are saying 4 flowers are there. Let's check how many flowers are there. So, see, this first one is rose, this 2, this one 3, this 4, and here you can see a small one 5. Okay, so total 5 flowers are there. In this picture, there are 5 flowers are there. Okay, then we can see one butterfly. One butterfly is sitting on the rose. This one. Then we can see grass, leaves. and one hand is there. Okay, one hand is there. Now this hand belongs to whom we don't know. हमें पता नहीं ये किसका hand है. Okay, so when we are observing any picture, then we should notice all the things mentioned in that picture. जब भी हम कोई पिक्चर ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो वो हमें पूरा देखना, उसमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें दी गई है वो हमें पूरे आइडेंटिफाई करना है. ओके, सो नाउ हु इज दिस शीतल देवरे. डोंट टच ऑन एनी अदर ऑप्शंस इन योर मोबाइल. लास्ट टाइम भी आपको बोला गया था कि आपको आपके खुद के नाम से लॉगिन करना है, लेकिन अभी भी बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं कि जिन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स के नाम से लॉगिन किया है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. The name of our story is The Yellow Butterfly. Okay, the name of the story is The Yellow Butterfly. That means the color of the butterfly will be yellow. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. The yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. There is one boy, his name is Sonu. Okay, now here we can see one word is here, flew. Flew, flew. Can you tell me the present form of this word flew? जैसे कोई भी वर्ड होता है तो उसके प्रेजेंट फॉर्म होता है, पास्ट फॉर्म होता है ना, हमने देखा था. तो कैन यू टेल मी द प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ फ्लेव. ये जो फ्लेव वर्ड है इसका प्रेजेंट टेंस का फॉर्म कौन सा है? कौन से वर्ड से? यस, वेरी गुड, नाइस. ये जो फ्लेव वर्ड है, दिस वर्ड इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड फ्लाई. ओके, very nice. See, there are three main tenses. Okay, there are three main tenses are there. First, present tense, then past tense, and future tense. Okay, there are three tenses in English. प्रेजेंट का मतलब होता है अभी वर्तमान जो चल रहा है. देन पास्ट, पास्ट का मतलब होता है जो हो चुका है. एंड फ्यूचर, फ्यूचर का मतलब जो होने वाला है, इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ओके, so these three tenses are there. In detail we will see in session. So a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. Okay, one butterfly is flying around Sonu's garden and Sonu saw the butterfly. Here also we have one word, SAW. Can you tell me the present form of this word saw? अभी ये जो SAW saw है ये पास्ट टेंस में है. ठीक, ये पास्ट फॉर्म है तो इसका प्रेजेंट फॉर्म कौन सा होगा? प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ सॉ. यस, वेरी गुड. Present form of saw will be see. Okay, nice. So Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch. it. He ran to catch it. Now here we have one more word, R-A-N, ran. So can you tell me the present form of ran? Yes, very good. So ran का जो present form है ये है run. Nice. So he ran to catch it. So what we have seen, a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw that butterfly and he ran to catch it. The butterfly flew on the rose bed. The butterfly flew on the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Here in the picture we can see that butterfly sat on red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. So when he saw that butterfly, he thinks that now the butterfly is on red rose, so I can easily catch it. So he walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. So what he did, he just walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, closer and still closer, but then off flew the butterfly. He came very closer to the butterfly. In this picture also we can see he is very close to the butterfly. But when he tried to catch it, off flew the butterfly. वो बटरफ्लाई वहां से उड़ गया. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it graves round leaves, they floated in the water. So now here we have second picture and these lines are about this second picture. So what he said, near the garden was a pond. Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Okay, now let's observe the picture first. Okay, then we will discuss it. So just observe this picture, this second picture. Okay, and what are your observations? Just comment in chat box. What you can see in this pond, just comment in chat box. What things you can see? Okay, boy and flower, lotus, butterfly, fish. Very good. Any other thing? Okay, two lotus, one fish. Nice, nice observation. White lotus and leaves. Nice. Sono enter in the, okay, one girl. Okay, any other observations? Fish. Nice. Sonu. Nice. Any other thing you can see? Okay. Rose. Some are saying rose, but there is no rose. Okay, very good Utkarsh. Water. The main thing, you all are missing that water. We can see water, then butterfly, fish, lotus, and Sonu is there. So can you see the leaves of the lotus? Just look at the shape of these leaves. Just look at the shape of these leaves. These are like other trees. They are in circle shape. Okay. Very rarely we found this type of leaves because there are different types of leaves are there. Okay. बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के leaves होते हैं. Sometimes we just found like this. Okay. कुछ कुछ जो होते हैं वो ऐसे होते हैं. So there are different size leaves are there. Okay, so we need to identify these leaves also. Leaves, lotus leaves are also different. And can you notice one thing? This lotus is in pond. Okay, generally we found flowers on any trees. Okay, किसी भी trees पे हम flowers देखते हैं. But this lotus is in pond only. Okay, so lotus grows in water. वो पानी के अंदर ही बड़ा होता है. Okay, so now let's see. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it gray round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water. Okay, so when you try to find that butterfly, then he saw that butterfly on the lotus. Okay, here you can see butterfly is sitting on the lotus leaves. जो लोटस जो फ्लावर है उसका जो लीव्स है उसके ऊपर वो उसको दिखता है. एंड दैट लोटस इज फ्लोटिंग इन द वाटर. वो लोटस जो है वो पानी के अंदर ऐसा तैर रहा है. इज फ्लोटिंग. फ्लोटिंग का मीनिंग होता है तैरना. ओके, कोई भी चीज अगर पानी के ऊपर ऐसे तैरती है तो उसे कहा जाता है फ्लोटिंग. सो सोनू वेंट स्प्लैश इनटू द वाटर. सोनू वेंट स्प्लैश इनटू द वाटर. जब भी हम पानी के अंदर जाते हैं तो पानी के अंदर जाते ही हम जैसे ही अंदर जाते हैं तो पानी को हमेशा साइड में करते हैं तो उससे आवाज आती है. दैट्स कॉल्ड स्प्लैश. ओके, इन a little story also we have discussed this word splash. So off flew the butterfly. लेकिन वहां से भी क्या होता है? ऑफ फ्लेव द बटरफ्लाई. वहां से भी बटरफ्लाई उड़ जाता है क्योंकि उसकी पानी के अंदर आने की आवाज से ही वो बटरफ्लाई क्या होता है. जो भूषण बिरारी माइक ऑन मत करो बार बार. So just because of that sound off flew the butterfly. So now he is searching for butterfly. Where was he? Sonu looked up. He looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. तो जैसे ही उसने देखा कि पानी के अंदर से भी ये बटरफ्लाई वहां से उड़ चुका है. Then he looked up, looked down, and everywhere he is searching for butterfly. तो वो इधर उधर देखने लगा. बटरफ्लाई को वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए वो इधर उधर देख रहा था. So near the wall was a peach tree. There is one tree and name of that tree is peach tree. And it had pink flowers. That peach tree has pink flowers. वो जो पीच ट्री था उसके फ्लावर्स जो थे वो थे पिंक कलर के थे. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower, and that butterfly sat on a very good or very beautiful flower. He sat on that pretty flower. Okay. So then Sonu thinks that I can catch you, shouted Sonu, and he just shouted that I can catch you now because you are sitting on the tree, and I will climb up the tree, and up I will climb to catch you. So what he did, he climbed up the tree. Climb का मतलब होता है चढ़ना. Okay, वो ट्री पर चढ़ता है. He climbed up the tree. Up he climbed, but back it flew down from the tree. लेकिन क्या होता है, that butterfly flew down from the tree. वो ट्री से भी वो बटरफ्लाई नीचे आ जाता है. सोनू जम्प डाउन टू, लेकिन सोनू भी कहाँ मानने वाला था. He also jumped down. He chased the butterfly. He chased the butterfly मतलब वो बटरफ्लाई के पीछे भागने लगा. He chased the butterfly from the rose to the lotus and up peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. As we can see, he started chasing butterfly from the rose, then to the lotus and up to the peach tree, but he could not catch the butterfly. But he is unable to catch the butterfly. Now let's see what happened in next page. So Sonu could not see it at all. He looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. सोनू इधर उधर सब तरफ देख रहा था कि where is that butterfly. He looked everywhere, but at the last he saw the butterfly. There was a big spider's web in the peach tree. Here in the picture we can see this is the spider, okay, and this is his net, and there was a big spider's web in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. In this spider's web, you can see the butterfly is caught in this spider's web. So Sonu saw that butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. Escape का मीनिंग होता है छूटना. Okay, बाहर निकलने का प्रयास करना. So it looked sad as it tried to escape. वो बहुत sad दिख रहा था. It looks sad because he is trying to escape. He is trying to escape. It fluttered its wings, and again he is trying to escape from the wave, and his wings are fluttered. वो बार बार अपने wings जो है वो बार बार उनको ऊपर नीचे कर रहा था because he want to escape from that wave. It twisted and turned, but it could not escape. The spider's web held it tight. He tried so much, but he could not escape from that web. वो उसी में अटका रहा. Poor butterfly. In the middle of the wave was a big spider. Here we can see in the middle of the wave there is a big spider. अर्श मंसूरी बार बार बेटा आप ऑन माइक बिल्कुल आपको ऑन नहीं करना. In the middle of the wave, was a big spider. It looked hungry. See here in the middle of the wave you can see one spider is there, and that spider look hungry. उसको बहुत भूख लगी थी. It wanted to catch the butterfly, and that spider also wanted to catch the butterfly because he want to eat this butterfly. That spider was hungry and he want to eat that butterfly. Closer and closer crawled the black spider. So that spider comes closer to the butterfly because he want to catch that butterfly and he want to eat that butterfly. That's why he came closer and closer to the butterfly. Before the hungry spider could grab it, before the hungry spider could grab it, grab का मतलब होता है पकड़ना, ओके, किसी चीज को हम ऐसे पकड़ते हैं ना उसे कहते हैं ग्रैब. So before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. But what happened there? Before the spider, Sonu ran, he caught the butterfly. स्पाइडर के पकड़ने से पहले ही सोनू ने क्या किया, उस बटरफ्लाई को उस वेब में से बाहर निकाल लिया. It was so pretty. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. So Sonu saw that butterfly, that it was so pretty. It was very beautiful. It had brown spots on its yellow wings. Here we can see some brown spots on that butterfly's wings. Sonu loved the little butterfly, and when Sonu saw that butterfly, he loved the little butterfly. That's why he want to catch it. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. But when he see that butterfly is feeling sad in his hand, Sonu wanted it to be happy. But Sonu wanted it to be happy because Sonu want that butterfly should be happy. उसको लगता था कि ये butterfly happy रहना चाहिए. But it looked sad in Sonu's hand. So now let's see on next page what happens. Then go said Sonu, and it flew away. सोनू ने क्या किया? He let the butterfly go and he just get that butterfly to fly away. उसने उसको जाने दिया because that butterfly looked sad in his hand and he wanted that butterfly to be happy. वो butterfly happy रहना चाहिए ऐसी उसकी इच्छा थी. That's why he just let that butterfly go. It sat on the red rose. It flew to the peach tree and then sailed on a lotus leaf. It flew merrily from flower to flower. वो जो बटरफ्लाई था उसको छोड़ने के बाद वो इधर से उधर फ्लाई करने लगा because that butterfly looks very happy. Sonu watched it fly and fly. The butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden, happy and free once again. So this is our story from the starting to end. This story is regarding butterfly and Sonu. Okay, so I hope you all have understand this story. And this story was written by Nilima Sinha. Okay, writer
Yes,
of
sir.
this story is Nilima Sinha. So I think we cover all the new words also. Escape का मीनिंग होता है छूटना, pond तालाब, then climb, cash, middle, hungry. These all new words we have discussed. So only one thing I want to know, because only there are 60 students and we have total 100 students in our classes. So from the next time